Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I want to invite you to my upcoming Whole Health Virtual Summit. It will be held January 14th to the 16th, 2022. My goal in providing this summit is to offer you innovative solutions to your health and wellness. I've invited a group of international speakers who are going to help you make conscious decisions about your health for you and your family. In talking to many of you on social media, I understand that you're frustrated with your current doctors and you feel invalidated when you ask them about alternative therapy. I'm offering two registration packages. The first is the silver, which starts at $55. It gives you full access to the summit, plus my private Facebook group and a 10% discount on all my products. If you want to keep the summit forever, that cost is $99. The second registration package is the gold, and that price is $99. It includes full access to the summit, 10% discount on all my products, my Facebook group, and it also will give you access to a 1-hour special Q&A with me after the summit and a copy of my ebook, Creating Your Personal Vision. And if you want to own the summit forever, that cost is $144. I'm so excited to be offering this summit. Click the button below if you want to register, and I'll see you on January 14th.